Most of us know that we have to open our mouths to make room for our voice when we sing. But there's actually a wrong and a right way that you can open your mouth. So today I'm going to give you a quick tip to help you use proper jaw posture when you sing. Hi singers, my name is Ronja Peterson and I'm here to geek out on your voice. So when you open your jaw properly, there's room for the sound to bounce around and your vocal folds can stretch freely. But when you open your jaw the wrong way, it pulls in your larynx or in your voice box and your vocal folds are not free to stretch. And this causes some singers to strain their voice. The way to check if you're dropping your jaw properly is to find out if your jaw bone right here, if you're in the jaw hinge, if it is popping out when you're opening your mouth, because that's the wrong way. The right way is to have your jaw drop down, sort of a weaker jaw right here, yeah? And now there's a cool trick to check this, a cool way to do this. So what you simply do is that you just take your middle fingers and your index fingers and you place one behind your jaw here and one over here on the jaw hinge. Now if you're opening your jaw the wrong way, you'll feel it pop right here. Try it out. Also just to try how it feels. Yeah. But if you're opening your jaw the right way, it will push this finger back and there's no popping here. Try it out. Yeah, no pop here. Very nice. So that's a very simple trick. Try it out a few times. In my experience, most people, they know they are able to drop their jaw properly. But the problem is that we don't always think about it. So I suggest that you try and practice this with a vocal exercise and try and monitor it like this as you sing. I actually have an exercise right here that I recommend that you try out. But before you do that, hit the subscribe button below and join me every week as we continue to geek out on your voice. Until then, I hope that you have some fun practicing your jaw. See you next time.